In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook story in Canva. We'll be using Canva's Instagram story size because it has the same vertical format that works perfectly for Facebook stories as well. So once you're logged into Canva and you're on the main homepage, look towards the top of the screen for the Create button. This is usually easy to spot and is your starting point for any new design. Go ahead and click on Create to open up the design options. After clicking Create, you'll see a search bar where you can type in different formats. In that search bar, type Instagram Story. Canva will then show you the Instagram Story design option, which is a vertical canvas that's optimized for mobile viewing. This size is ideal for Facebook stories too, so choosing it will save you from having to adjust dimensions later. When you see the Instagram Story option appear, click on it to open a blank story design. Once your Instagram Story canvas is open, you'll be taken into the main Canva editor. Here, you'll see your blank vertical page in the center and different tools around it. On the left side, there's a panel where you can access elements like photos, text, and more. For now, we're going to focus on choosing a layout so you don't have to design everything completely from scratch. In that left-hand panel, look for the Templates tab. This is where Canva offers pre-made story designs that you can customize. Click on Templates and you'll see a wide range of ready-to-use layouts appear. These are already sized correctly for stories and often come with suggested fonts, color schemes, and placements for photos and text. You can scroll through the templates to find one that matches the style and purpose of your Facebook story, whether it's for personal content, a business promotion, an announcement, or anything else. Once you find a design you like, simply click on it and Canva will apply it directly to your Instagram story canvas. From here, you can start personalizing it. Replace the images with your own, edit the text to match your message, and adjust colors or fonts so they fit your brand or your personal style. When you're done customizing, you'll be ready to download it and upload it as a Facebook story, knowing the size and layout are already optimized for that format.